Come test drive the 2019 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, fog lights, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, panic alarm, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, Sirius Satellite Radio, remote keyless entry, power driver's seat, rear window wiper. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.